Wish you all a very happy Pongal! Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Hyderabadi Beauty and
Delhi Bees. So Ganesh and Ayan, they got freshen up already, and I thought I'll go for shower. Let's see what they're doing. Before that, I have shortlisted this beautiful sari from Pothys and this dress. So let's see what they want me to wear. Let's see what they're doing. So what are you guys doing? I see Ayan is playing. Kadama, I know you have helped Papa a lot. Mama is very proud of you. That was all Ayan's idea how to decorate. He's just creative like his mom. क्या बोलते हैं वो?
सही में यार, like majority of the idea that he only gave, and we just woke up and we did all the decoration and all those stuff. Now अच्छा वो सब ठीक है मैडम, आप कब रेडी हो गए?
I'll go घर का काम साफ सफाई सब करके थोड़ा टाइम
You know अभी नल्ला नेरम आने वाला है and we have to be like ready. I know it's
I'm ready, almost ready.
You're not ready at all. Look who's talking. Look at you.
I was about to go for shower. I just wanted to check on you guys. What are you guys doing? I wanted to be behind you guys, or else you will not get ready. I know about you people.
You haven't groomed yourself. मैं कल से तेरे को बोल रहा हूँ, just go and do the waxing and all those stuff.
Is pandemic में you really want me to go to salon and get myself groomed? Definitely not. See what I am doing. I found something better option. There were many people who were commenting and asking me, messaging me saying that Akka, do you shave and all? Then I found something better option which would save a lot of money of us, where I can avoid painful waxing. Especially winters में कितना painful होता है. I know that because our skin is so dry, and when they just apply the wax and then they remove it, it's so painful. When I got it done for Vaishnu's wedding, literally I had to cry. See what Ayan is doing. Such a cutie, he's making a milkshake for himself. That's all healthy. That's with jaggery and cocoa powder. Definitely not that healthy, but better than sugar. Let me show what I got it. Trust me, it's really very nice. Since my skin is very dry, I have used it and I've seen a lot of difference. The first and foremost is its painless hair removal, which I always wanted. There are many myths which people believe that if we shave our hair, we would grow very dense hair, which is wrong. It's not true. Our hair color would change, which is not true. And our skin will become more dry, which is also not true. It depends upon the way how you use it. And let me show how to use it. If you are first time users, please check it out so that you will learn how to use it, and make sure you moisturize it and use the correct razor. It saves a lot of money. Whenever we go to salon, I usually take the flavored one because my skin is really very dry, so that is very expensive. And I'm glad I found this product where I just spent few hundreds, very less, and maybe a cost of dark chocolate for me. And when I use it, I found the change, and the best part is the painless hair removal. Let me show you guys, because most of people have messaged me personally on Instagram. Ayan is really very sweet. He's getting my products to show you guys. The one which I use it's the Carmesy body razor. It's really very nice. It's handy, travel friendly, because the box is really very small. Let me show you. And this is the bikini wax. Let me show how does this look. So look at this, such a cute portable box. First and foremost, for the holes which they have it here, because when we wash it, just like the soap box which we used to use when we were kids, I'm not sure about others, but when we were kids, we used to have a soap box where we used to have holes and keep it soap in that so that the water drains off. With the same concept, Once you use it, wash it and then just keep it over here so the water drains off and it dries, and so there is no formation of rust on your blades. It's portable, it's handy and travel friendly because it takes very less space, and you can carry it in your handbag also if you want to go somewhere and suddenly you decide to go out and wear a quick dress. Best part about this razor is it has this aloe vera and vitamin E gel over here, so that when you wet your hand, it doesn't make your hand dry. It has ergonomic handle so that we have firm grip to shave our hand, to hand or leg, any part of our body. Also we have our bikini razor. I think you guys are well aware where to use it, so don't mix up your body razor to the bikini razor, because the bikini razor has a very thin blade and the body razor have multiple blades. So if you use your body razor to your bikini area, that might harm you. It's better to keep it separate. So now you get it, Bebu, why I haven't been to salon and save lot of your money.
I understand that now.
Now you guys can see how we get festive ready for this Pongal. I would be using my Carmesi body razor. Ganesh and Ayan, they have already got freshen up. They just have to get ready. I will quickly get freshen up. I am glad that I found this beautiful product and I could avoid going to salon for this reason, at least for waxing. And let's see how to use it. Come on. Please ignore the marks which I have on my hand. That's because I had sun allergy. So I have recovered, but I have few marks on my hand that would fade away soon. Now just focus on my hair so that you can see the difference after I shave. Make sure your hand is wet at least for 3 minutes. Make sure you use this against your hair growth. If your hair is going this way, then make sure you do it this way so that it's easy, and then don't do it in a circular way. Make sure you do it cross so that you evenly shave your legs. It's the easy way to wash it off. This is the ergonomic handle. If you can see, it's so easy to shave. Whichever side you want, it just goes so easily. So make sure you do it against the hair growth. It's very soft. It's not hurting my hand. I would definitely show my hand after shave. How does it look? You can see the difference. It's soft. If I touch, it's very soft. It's right after I took shower. I have to apply moisturizer. Even after that, you can take a look. Isn't it super soft? I just love this. There is no single hair on my leg. And it's really very soft. Trust me, it is softer than waxing, I feel. Even after going through the pain, the painless hair removal is much better. By now, you must have checked my hairless hands and legs. Trust me, it's really very soft when I touch it. And I also wanted to mention that this is the right time for you to buy Carmesi products, which is Carmesi razor on Purple website, as there is a Republic sale going on and you can avail 30% discount. And if you use my coupon code, which is Sumaya10, which would be here, you can get an extra 10% off. Not just on the body razors, but also on all the Carmesi products. So please go and check it out. And I would also mention the link in the description box so that it is easy for you guys to navigate. And Ayan has selected this for me to wear, and Ganesh wanted me to wear dress, which is the kurta which I showed earlier. So I decided to wear this first because Ayan is such a cutie and is very small. Ganesh will understand definitely. Let's get ready. This is the basic makeup which I do when there is some special occasion. I don't get ready often, but I learned it from Samira. It's very easy. I'm applying my concealer to cover all my marks. This is my contouring, this is blush, and these are my eyeshadows. So I thought I'll use this one. And then I'm going to do contouring to my nose because it's not sharp. So I'm going to apply blush. This is my favorite Rene Fab 5. And this is my favorite lip shade. Mascara. I'm really not good at applying this. So I usually try to avoid. Ganesh likes it when I apply mascara because eyes look very beautiful.